So you want to learn how to do this trick. I can help with that. So I think this might be the quickest tower trick, and it's really quite simple once you get the hang of it. So the first thing you need to do is throw a double or nothing, and that will look like this. So once you're here in a double or nothing, you need to put your whole hand palm down in the loop like this, and then what you're doing is you're grabbing that string underneath, but you're just twisting, and then you'll end up with a triangle like this. So once you're here, you've moved your hand into the triangle, you've twisted it all around. What you need to do is hop the yo-yo up and land on the bottom bit of that triangle. So that should be the string that's coming off your pinky on your throw hand, like that. From here, you're hopping the yo-yo up and over and landing on that back string of that triangle. And that will look like that. And that is it. That's how you do the tower. And then from here, all you do is you hop the yo-yo up whilst releasing off your pointer on your throw hand. And you'll be back into a trapeze. So I'll do that a little bit quicker. Double or nothing. Whole hand in and a twist. Make that triangle, hop the yo-yo up, land like that. And then from here, all you need to do is hop up whilst releasing your pointer, and you're back in a trapeze, and then you can bind. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll include a slow-mo in a sec, but that's how you do the quickest tower.